Okay, so this is the third step. I had it cooking for a while. Wrong thing. I'm going to strain it. If I can get I'm going to strain it, so you want to strain all the marijuana out of it because you don't want to eat chunks. You just want the THC in the butter. Because you don't want to eat those chunks. That would have been real bad if that fell over while I was doing that. I should have been more prepared. Alright, so I'm squeezing out these buds because there's still a lot of stuff in them. You don't want to leave behind the THC. This is fun, actually. You know what? Cannabutter is so expensive. And so is edibles. So are edibles. So you know what? I just thought this would be a better idea. I hope it works. Alright, so now it's all strained, dried out. So I'm gonna pour it into this container. I want all that. And I'm going to refrigerate it till it gets hard. See ya!